Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how to solve the n-queens problem by using the backtracking technique. For solving the n-queens problem, you need to follow three simple steps. That is, first one, not in the same row. Second condition is not in the same column. Third condition is not in diagonal. If we follow these three simple steps, we can solve the n-queens problem very easily. Now let us see how the n-queens problem can be solved. This problem works only for 2 power n where n is not equal to 1. The n-queens problem can be solved for 2 power n, that is 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4 and so on. But there is a condition that n value is not equal to 1. In this condition, we will not get the solution for the n-queens problem. That is, for 2 by 2 representation, we will not get the solution for n-queens problem. Except this condition, we will get the solution for this problem. Okay. For example, for 4 by 4 representation, for 8 by 8, 16 by 16, 32 by 32, like that. Now let us see how the n-queens problem can be solved by using these three rules. Okay. See, I am representing this tabular form as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See, for solving the n-queens problem, if we are considering the 4 by 4 representation, then we need to place 4 queens in this tabular form, okay, by following these three rules. See, here first I am placing the queen 1 in the first cell. Okay, for placing the second queen, we need to follow these two rules. Second queen cannot be placed here as it is representing the same row. And here also we cannot place the second queen as it is representing the same column. Here also we cannot place the second queen as it is representing the diagonal cells. So I am placing queen 2 in this position. Okay. Now let us see the position for queen 3. Here we cannot place the queen 3 as it is representing the same row. Here also we cannot place as it is representing the same column. Here also we cannot place as it was representing the diagonal cells. So queen 3 is placed here. From Q3 there is no possibility of moving forward. So in this step I have stopped the process and from here I am backtracking to Q2. Okay. See, here you can there is a possibility of placing Q2 here in this cell, and here also we can place Q2. As we put the Q2 in this cell, we don't get the answer. So I am trying to keep Q2 in this cell. We place the Q2 here. There is no possibility of placing Q3 here. And here also we cannot place Q3. Here also we cannot place Q3. Okay. See, there is a possibility of placing Q3 here. So I have placed Q3 in this position. As we have placed Q3 in this cell, we can there is no possibility of placing Q4 in these cells as it is representing the same columns and it is representing the same rows and it represents the diagonal ones. Here also we don't get any solution for placing the 4 queens in this tabular form. See, we have backtracked from Q3 to Q2, but we didn't get any solution. Now I am backtracking from Q2 to Q1. Let us see how the solution will be. Here I am shifting the position of Q1 from this cell to this cell. As we have backtracked from this position to this position, I'm moving the position of Q1 from this cell to this cell. Okay, I'm placing Q1 here. As we have placed Q1 here, you are not supposed to place Q2 in these cells as it is representing the same row, and here also there is no possibility of placing the Q2 as it is representing the same column. Here also you cannot place as these represents the diagonal ones. So I have placed Q2 in this cell. Okay. So Q3 cannot be placed here as it is representing the same row. Here also we cannot place Q3 as it is representing the same columns, and here also we are not supposed to place Q3 as it is representing the diagonal cells. So I am placing Q3 here. See, for placing Q4 there is no possibility of placing Q4 here as it is representing the same row. Here also we are not supposed to place Q4 as it is representing the same column. Here also you cannot place as it is representing the diagonal cells, but we can place Q4 in this position. Okay, see, this is how the 4x4 queen problem can be solved by using the backtracking technique. Now let us see how an 8x8 queen problem can be solved by using the same 3 simple steps. I am placing Q1 in this position. As we have placed the Q1 in this position, we are not supposed to place Q2 in these cells as it is representing the same row. Here also we cannot place Q2 as it is representing the same column. Here also we are not supposed to place the Q2 as it is representing the diagonal cells. Okay, so I am placing Q2 here. Okay, see, as we have placed Q2 here, we are not supposed to place Q3 in these cells as it is representing the same row. Here also we are not supposed to place the Q3 as it is representing the same column, and here also we are not supposed to place Q3 as it is representing the diagonal cells. Here also we are not supposed to place, these are also representing as diagonal cells. Now I am placing Q3 here. See, as I am placed the Q3 in this cell, here there is no possibility of placing Q4. Here also there is no possibility of placing Q4. Here also I am not supposed to place Q4 as it is representing the diagonal cells. Here also I am not supposed to place Q4. These are also representing as diagonal cells. So I am placing Q4 here. Okay. See, as I have placed Q4 here, in this position I am not supposed to place Q5 as it is representing same rows. Here it is representing same column. Here also I am not supposed to place Q5. Here also I cannot place Q5 as it is representing the diagonal cell. Here also I am not supposed to place Q5 as it is representing the diagonal cells. See, so I am placing Q5 in this position. Queen 6. Here you cannot place the Queen 6 position as it is representing the same row. Here also you cannot place. This also you cannot place as it is representing the diagonal ones. Here also you cannot place, it is also representing the diagonal ones. Now for placing the 6th queen, there is no possibility left. Here I am checking in this row. Here also there is no possibility left. See, now I am checking in this row. Here in this row you can place the 6th queen here. You can place here or you can place here. Okay. For placing the 7th queen, I am checking the possibility. Here we cannot place the 7th queen as it is in the same row. Here also you cannot place the 7th queen. Here also you cannot place as it is representing the same column. For placing the 7th column, we don't left a single cell. So the positions of 4 queens as it is, as I have shown in the first matrix representation. See, we are backtracking from 5th queen. So I am checking in the previous matrix representation, the 5th queen position is this one. Okay, here I have placed the fifth queen, but there is a possibility of placing the fifth queen here also. So I am shifting the fifth queen position from this cell to this cell, and now I am checking the possibilities. See, if I have placed the fifth queen position here, okay, there is no possibility of placing the sixth queen here, as it is representing the row representation, and here also as it is representing the diagonal one. Here also you cannot place, as it is representing the same row. Here also you cannot place. Now see, for placing the sixth queen, you can place here. Okay, sixth queen can be placed here. And for placing the seventh queen, here you cannot place, as it is representing the same row. Here also you cannot place, as it is representing the same column. Here also you cannot place, as it is representing the diagonal wise. Here also you cannot place. See, for placing the seventh queen, there is a possibility of placing here. Okay, seventh queen can be placed here. Now see, you cannot place the eighth queen here, as it is representing the same row. You cannot place the seventh queen here. You cannot place the seventh queen here, as it is representing the diagonal one. See, there is no cell left for placing the eighth queen. Okay, backtracked from queen 5 to queen 4. Here at this position the queen 4 is representation, but there is a possibility of representing queen 4 here and in this place also. I am moving queen 4 to here. I am shifting the position of queen 4 to this position to this position. There is no possibility of placing the queen 5, as it is representing the same row. Here also there is no possibility, as it is representing the same column. Here also there is no possibility of placing the fifth queen, as it is representing the diagonal ones. Okay, now let us check for the possibility of placing queen 5. Here we can place queen 5. Okay, see, for placing the sixth queen, there is no possibility here, as it is representing the same row. Here also there is no possibility, as it is representing the same column. This represents the diagonal cells, and this also represents the diagonal cells. So for placing the queen 6, you don't have any possibility for placing the queen 6. Now we need to backtrack from queen 3. By following the same rules, we'll not get the result, and again we'll backtrack to queen 2. Here also we are not getting the result. From this matrix representation, I have shown you the final result, but you need to backtrack and you need to check each and every possibility for finding the result. This is the solution for 8 by 8 queen. Like this you can solve 16 by 16 queens problem or 32 by 32 queens problem, whatever it may be. Okay, this is how the n queens problem can be solved.